We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D. Her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day?
Today we're making a whole complete meal, y'all. Yes, it's been a while since I've been on here, but I'm going to show y'all how I made some steamed cabbage, some chicken and rice, and some hot water cornbread. Okay, y'all, let's get to cooking. In our large pot, I have added some chicken pieces, and now I'm chopping up some onions to go in here. And if you want your chicken and rice to be flavorful, make sure you chop up some vegetables. If you don't want the vegetables, add the onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. It has to be flavorful to taste good. But here I'm chopping up all my vegetables. I'm chopping up some onions, bell pepper, and celery. And I'm going to add these to my chicken. Here I'm seasoning up our chicken with some black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. And we're mixing all our seasonings in, and we're going to let this come to a complete boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to maybe between the medium and high, and just let it boil until it gets tender, okay? Now let's cook our cabbage. Okay, I have just added maybe a couple tablespoons of oil in my pot, and I'm going to fry up my salt bacon. It's a smoked bacon that I found at a meat market, y'all. It is so delicious, and it makes your cabbage taste so good. What you do is you fry it on both sides and just keep flipping it over until it just fry not really crispy, to the consistency that you want it to be. Now it's time to add in our cabbage. I have cut it up, and now here I'm adding it to our pot. Letting y'all know I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video. I'm going to be more just showing you hands-on, okay? Here I'm mixing it up just a little bit, to bring so that it can cook, evenly. Here I'm adding in the last of my cabbage, and we're gonna let this cabbage cook down, and then I'm gonna add my jalapeños and my salt. But first I'm gonna let this cook down some, and time to time I'm gonna go back and stir it, and mix it in real good where it can cook down and cook evenly. Here I'm adding in my jalapeno peppers. This is optional. You don't have to do it, but I prefer this. Here I'm adding in a little water so our cabbage can steam. I'm going to add just a little bit more. This is the way I prefer it. And I also added some salt and some black pepper. And so I'm going to let it continue to steam, okay? Letting you know you can add some vegetable broth to this instead of the water, or some chicken broth, but I don't prefer it. I prefer the water, but make this recipe yours. Here I'm bringing the cabbage that's cooking at the bottom to the top. This is the way you do it so your cabbage can cook evenly. You just bring it, just go down at the bottom and bring those to the top. And every so often you do this, you go back. And I'm not cooking this on a really high heat. I'm cooking it on maybe a little above the medium heat where it won't just cook too fast. I found out the longer you let these cook, the better they are, okay? Our cabbage is cooking, really nice right here. And like I say, just keep going every so often. Just go and bring the ones at the bottom to the top. Y'all, these cabbage smell so delicious. I can smell the smoked bacon in them. And y'all, they were so, so good. This is my last time to stir these in, and I'm going to reduce the heat and just let these just cook slowly. And like I say, if they're ready for you, you can turn the heat off now. But I want these to cook just a little bit longer, so I'm going to turn my heat down and let these continue to cook, because I'm telling y'all, these were so good. And let them just continue to cook for like another 10 minutes, and then you're good to go. Okay, I am checking our chicken, and it is good to go. It is tender, and it's time to add in our rice. So just check it and see if it's done, and these pieces are done. And so I'm just showing y'all that the fork can go through them. And so now it's time to add in our rice. Here I'm adding in some instant rice, but if you have the regular rice, you can add it in and turn your heat down low so it can boil and get done. But this is a quick chicken and rice recipe that I'm showing you. Some people don't like the instant. It's fine for me. What I'm doing, I have to look at it to see about how much rice to add to it. And here I'm seeing that I need more rice, because you're supposed to turn it off when the water begins to boil with the instant rice. But what I'm doing now, I'm going to let it continue to boil just a little bit, and while I'm continuing to add in the rice, because I want the right amount of rice in my chicken and rice, okay? Okay, here I'm adding a little bit more, and this should do it. Because I can tell by the looks of my liquid and my chicken that I needed just a little bit more. And so, y'all, it's good to go now, and I'm going to turn off my heat and cover this and check on our cabbage. Our cabbage is cooking good. Now let's fry up our hot water cornbread. If you want to know how I mixed up the hot water cornbread, go in the search bar and put Miss Brenda D hot water cornbread, and it should take you to one of my videos. Okay, my hot water cornbread is all done, and now it's time to make our plate, y'all. Okay, I'm going to continue to remove this from our skillet, and then we're going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, all our food is prepared and ready to be served. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy my recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. Oh, another thing, I want to share some news with you all. Y'all probably wondering, where have you been, Miss Brenda D? Y'all, letting y'all know, I am now a pastor's wife, and so I have other responsibilities now. Of course, you know I'm going to put God first. Yes, I'm going to see how I'm going to continue to do my videos. And I know I can because God placed me here and he placed me in this position. I haven't forgot about you all. I love you all, and y'all are so supportive in whatever I do, and I know that. Now I'm asking that y'all keep my husband and I and our wonderful congregation in prayer as we do the work for the Lord. God bless y'all. We're going to pray for you. My word for today is, no matter what you're going through, pray and lean and depend on Jesus. And remember, Jesus loves you, and I do too.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit.